Parang mas si Madam na yan.
Mas Dayan na yan. Mas Dayan pa dito. Parang mas... And then,
Yan.
Pwede sila umalis straight na.
Yes, this one.
Sabihan na natin.
Hindi na lang may experience ko. Ah? CMP.
70.
Ganon. Ako, paano ko ba yan?
Ayan. Okay. So, on my action, you guys are standing. Action, go to the window, look for me. Okay?
70.
Yung photo here, without bubble running here, ay yun. Ano yung ingay na yun? Yes po.
Okay? Alright, last move tayo. Tissue for my neighbors inside.
Yes.
And then Justin. Our department, yung mga hawak nilang papers, continuity. Thank you. Alright, stand by for take. Quiet. And neighbors ready?
Neighbors ready?
And ID. Roll.
Saan pa nakatingin sa akin ha?
Concept and 3, 2, 1, action!
Good for me.
And back to business. And cut! Playback! More pa Dayan? Kaya pa? Yan. Okay. Forward ka pa dito. Yan. Okay.
Pero lahat ay kasi ko yung parang nag-delay siya mag-flash. Siya tumataas yan.
Okay, sige pa. Okay, sige.
Okay.
Hold that position, guys.
So on my action, we're looking for someone na lagi na sinabi, look at me, tsaka look at me isa.
Okay, may ganun
Okay,
kayo.
action. Now, ganyan, looking around, look at me.
Pwede rin.
Okay? Okay. This is a subtle.
Sa Excel ng mga pwede silang
Stand by. Let the curtains on my action you hawak. Okay? Ang position na dapat kayo niyan.
walang
Yes, position na kayo.
pero hindi nila ginagawa.
Okay, ready?
I think.
Okay, stand by. And
Traffic.
ID.
Wala akong shoot ngayon. Pwede ako mag-film.
Ay, hindi naman.
And on. And 3, 2, 1, action. Hawi. Looking around. And look at me. And back to business. And cut. Playback.
Ganda nun, perfect yun. Diba? Love that shot.
Stand by for take. Ready? And ID run.
Rolling.
And 3, 2, 1, action, hawi! Looking around and look at me. And back to business.
And cut.
Lovely!
Happy to move? Alright, happy to move tayo guys. Dun tayo sa another kanto ng buhay.
Christmas tree!
Dun sa may Christmas tree. Pahinga na muna yung first set of neighbors ko, Lynn. Dali niyo sa akin yung second set of neighbors. Pati si Helen.